Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's festival month. Coachella is just around the corner and I decided to create a festival makeup look for you guys. I had so much fun doing it. I created a makeup that it's neutral but it looks good on everybody, especially if you have light eyes. But for brown eyes like myself, it also looks amazing. The skin is more bronzed, nude lips, so you can wear this with pretty much any clothes. I feel like music festivals, it's more about accessorizing and the clothes you're wearing and the accessories than just the makeup. So a lot of times, myself for example, I use the same makeup on all 3 days and I just accessorize myself differently. So this look that I created today, you can wear pretty much every day, but just do different glitters, different accessories. On a different look, it's gonna look completely different. Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. I really went all out. I did like gold tattoos, a lot of glitter, necklaces of course, hat, which is an accessory that I always use at Coachella. Lots of glitter and stickers and all of that. So if you want to see how to get this look, keep watching. Alright, so I already did my base with moisturizer and now I'm just gonna apply primer. I'm gonna try this illuminating primer from Tom Ford. I received it in the mail. I know Tom Ford products are very pricey, but let's see if this is really good. But use whatever primer you like, something that will really hold your makeup all day long. Very important for festival because you're gonna be dancing, walking around in the sun. You're gonna be moving around a lot, so your makeup needs to be in place. And a pimple is growing right here. These pimples don't leave me alone this month. What the hell? So today I'm gonna use the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the color 3.5 Vanuatu. Vanuatu? I don't know if I'm saying it right. And this is exactly the color of my face right now, which is so rare. You guys know I love a beauty blender, but lately I've been liking to spread the foundation with the brush and then set it with the beauty blender. I just feel it's a bit more natural that way because when you apply it with the beauty blender, it ends up being more coverage. So now I come with the beauty blender and just set this. I'm gonna come in with my Huda concealer. Oops. This is 12G. And then concealer, I always like to blend it with the beauty blender. And this Huda concealer has a lot of coverage, which I love for occasions like this because you won't need to touch up. On my eyelid as well. As always, a little bit of contour. I like to take a contour stick, apply it on my hand, and boom, right here. I'm gonna take a bronzer from NARS. This is Seaside, and I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. It's matte finish. You can just take a light brown shadow as well. Also gonna apply it on my bottom eye. This is like the base of our eye, okay? A warm, light brown shadow because we're gonna smoke it out very soon. Now I'm gonna take my Givenchy bronzer in the color number 3 and I'm gonna apply it on top of that contour that I created. Just a small layer of it, just a thin layer of it. And I'll take that same bronzer I used on my eyes, a small brush, and really contour here. I want this skin to be bronzed and beautiful. So why do I apply the shimmery bronzer first? Because if you do that as a base, your matte bronzer will slide on better and it will just be smoother. You won't have like smudges or spots that are... The finish will be just more flawless. And it will just go on like really smooth and you won't have any smudging. Now, just a little bit of Bahama Mama, which is a darker bronzer. This is from the Balm. Now I'm gonna take a setting powder with my sponge. I'm gonna bake it right here because we're gonna do eyes. And I'll bake a little bit here at the bottom as well. Why not? I'll come in and highlight the tip of my nose with my with my GR Skin Nude Air highlighter. Just the tip of the nose, look. Now I'll move on to eyes, and I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Same highlighter, I'm gonna highlight under my brow. And today I'm gonna use this palette from NARS, the very neutral palette. A lot of things I'm using today is from NARS. This video is not sponsored, by the way, okay? It's a new palette that they sent me. It's called Skin Deep Eye Palette. And I'm gonna start this eye with the deeper brown, warmer brown. I'm always gonna apply it with a blending brush so that we create a smoky effect. And this is gonna look beautiful, neutral. You can wear this eye pretty much every day and do like different lips, different blushes, because it's so neutral. Usually on festivals at Coachella, I kind of wear the same eye all week. Last Coachella, I wore pretty much just a cat eye every day with different hair, different lip. Because I feel Coachella is mostly about accessorizing, you know, these music festivals. So you can do like one makeup look so you don't have to think about different things, and then accessorize it in different ways. Even accessorizing your makeup look, like different color glitters on your skin, different glitter tattoos, different hair, lip colors. You can just have fun with it. And this smoky eye really will go with anything. It can be boho, it can be rock and roll. It's all about how you accessorize it. Now that we smoked the upper lid, I'm gonna come in with the black eye pencil, and I'm gonna apply it all over my eye on the waterline, upper and lower. And this is from Estee Lauder. It's so good. Very pigmented. That's already closing your eye a little bit. What I'm gonna do now is take a more dense brush, same brown color, and we're gonna apply it right here on the lower. And what I like to do is pull in a little lower cat eye, like this. If you're using the right brush, it makes it super easy to do this effect. Now I come in with a flat definer brush, A15 from Sigma, and then I'll do a darker color. It's almost black, but it's more like a grayish black, and I'll trace it right under my lash root just to darken this a bit more. Then I'll pull it out on that lower cat eye. I love a smoky eye, oh my gosh. And if you have lighter eyes for this eye makeup, you guys, it's gonna be bomb. It's gonna be gold, it's gonna be major. But it really works on darker eyes too. That's why I love this look so much. It really works on everybody, and it makes your eyes stand out so much. Since I want this eye to be very black, like contoured, I'm gonna take that eyeliner, black eyeliner, very creamy, and I'm gonna trace on my upper lash root as well with that flat definer brush. Or you can just put it right on, but sometimes it just gets messy. So doing it with the brush is easier. Take that Huda palette, the black shadow. All right, so now that we're done with shadows, like powder shadows, I'm gonna just get rid of this baking right here. What I'm gonna do is take a glittery shadow. This is from MAC, the Dazzle Shadow Liquid. The color is Ray and Rays, and it's pretty much the same color as the shadow, but it's glittery. So I'm gonna apply it on the inner corner of my eye. This together is just gonna be so beautiful in person. In video, you can't really tell, but like, since it's the same color pretty much, it looks so beautiful. Same tone, I would say, not same color. Then I blend it with the brush, and this will brighten your eye, make it look bigger and chic. And then on the outer corner of my eye. Now, before we go on with the glittery stuff, I'm gonna apply mascara. And I really want like bold lashes. I'm not gonna do false lashes. You guys can do it, but I just don't like having false lashes when I'm gonna spend all day long like dancing and out like that, because I get scared that they're gonna fall out. So if you use a really good mascara, it will do the job, especially on smoky eyes like this. I love having natural lashes on. like my own natural lashes. Although I know some people have really small lashes, so go for it. But I wouldn't do like huge lashes. Do like a natural one that will give you volume. And I love this mascara from Lancome, Grandiose Extreme. So I do upper and lower. I never do lower lashes because my lashes are so long. But for this look, it's a must. Look how pretty. Ooh. I say when I do lower lashes, I always say they're like spider lashes, spider legs. Okay, we are done with eyes. I'm gonna do a little bit of blush. I'm gonna use the Becca Songbird, just a little bit of it. It's more of a darker peachy. I wanna maintain this bronzy. What I'm gonna do is finish the whole makeup. I'm gonna do lips, and then we're gonna add all the glitter and festival stuff, which will be optional for you. You can definitely wear makeup like this to a festival and just accessorize with other stuff, but I'm gonna make it more glittery as an option as well. But I wanted to give you guys this more wearable option that you can wear not just to a festival but anywhere else. Doing my lips really quickly. Lip liner Chestnut from Laura Mercier. And then lipstick will be the Tom Ford number 2, La Nudité. And we maybe will apply gloss, but I love, if you're just gonna wear this makeup, I love it like this, like matte lip, matte eyes, matte skin. But now we're gonna make it fun, okay? I'm gonna take this, all the glittery stuff I might use. I haven't tried this yet. I hope it works, but all the stuff we're gonna use. I got the Glossier Play Glitter Gel in Bijou. It's like champagne color. It's super beautiful, that one. I'm also gonna try the MAC Glitter Liner. And this is holiday time. And I will do, like I did here on my arm, the gold stickers. I did like here and here so you can play with it. I'm gonna do one probably on my face, the little heart ones. And I'm gonna leave the link to all these things down below, okay? So I'm gonna start with the MAC liner. I'm gonna line under the little cat eye that we did. Love. And then I'm gonna apply a little bit under my brow and blend it with a brush. I know I'm not supposed to use this here, but I am, and it's gonna look so beautiful. On my cupid's bow, tip of the nose. And now I'm gonna take the Glossier Gel Glitter Gel, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of it on my body. Let's start trying it first here. Ooh, I love. So like if you're wearing cleavage, it's gonna look super beautiful. Wow, it's actually very pretty. Oh. There's different colors. There's the gold one as well. Very gold. It is the color Glass Bonsai. I'm gonna mix on my body. I'm gonna mix both. And then we can do the Way Shine Mist spray just to make this shiny and beautiful. I love anything that shines. So now on my face, what I'm gonna do is take it with my finger and dab it on the palm of my hand first, just so that we don't rub it and ruin our makeup. I know we did such a pretty base here, but we'll see. Oh, so pretty. I love because it has like chunks of glitter, like smaller and bigger ones. So it's so pretty, like looking in the mirror. It's so bad that in camera you can't see exactly how it looks. And I'll do on top of my nose as well. And I'm even gonna mix a bit of the gold one, okay? And now a little bit of gloss. And now I'm wondering if I should do the hearts or just leave it like this. Should I do it, guys? I wish I could hear your comments live. Because it says your skin needs to be clean for it to stick. But I think they mean like for a few days, you know? I'm gonna try it, why not? So you put it on and then you wet. So to music festivals like Coachella, I love wearing hats. If you look at my Instagram past years, there's always one look at least that I'm wearing a hat, especially when it's like on boho looks. Like today I'm wearing like a knit dress, and then you can always accessorize your looks, you know, with necklaces, earrings, and glitter. And that's what I did to make it more boho and more festival looking. And so this is my look. I really hope you guys like it and recreate it. If you don't want to wear this to a festival, you can definitely just take off all the glitter stuff, and it will be a beautiful look even for wedding parties at night, events during the day. And it's definitely a type of makeup that you can wear with anything because it's so neutral. It makes your eyes stand out so much. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And if you like the video, please rate it positively, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay beautiful and have fun at the festival.